Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So as you can see, today I am doing a review of this Rosalind deep blue polygel. Thank you, Rosalind, for sending me this beautiful blue polygel. And so here I'm just opening up the box so you can see what's inside the box. So we get this 60 milliliter tube and 2 fluid ounces, and this is a really big tube. And if you've seen before, that I did do a review on one of their other polygels. It was the soft pink, and I really did enjoy using that one. And that one, the packaging was really gorgeous, and this one is really gorgeous as well. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Look at that blue. It's really very pigmented, and by me using the other polygel, the soft polygel, it was really soft. So I really do enjoy using Rosalind's polygel. If you like soft polygel, then this brand is really good. But if you like the more stiffer polygel, then I would suggest I would recommend using Makartt. But this is a really beginner friendly polygel, and like I said, I really did enjoy this. So here I am showing you the what comes inside of the little box, and it does have a user guide. It just shows you how to use everything, how to use the polygel, how to set it up, and all that good stuff. And it also has questions. People ask questions. You're more than welcome to stop the video if you want to check out the questions that the viewers have asked. And it also has tips, and yeah, so, and how to remove as well. So yeah, so I will be doing a little nail set and everything. So here I am showing you how it looks, with it being already cured. I did cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And okay, so here I'm using Makartt's polygel. This is the Makartt and Femi Beauty collab that they did, and I am also using the spatula as well. So I'm showing you how this looks. It has a little bit of sparkles of glitter in it. It's like a beautiful pink. It looks like a bubblegum pink to me if you look at it. And I will be using the 5XL square from Nail Couture. These, if you do have these full cover tips, this full cover tips has like really deep apex. So I would suggest using polygel for these because the apex is really deep. And they are square, so, and they also are gel tips. And so I already picked out my tips for this set, and I already buffed it inside, etched it inside, and etched it outside. And here I'm just showing you the spatula that I will be using. It has a spatula on one end and a brush on the other. All right, so here I'm getting ready to fill in the nail with this deep blue polygel, and this deep blue polygel is really beautiful, and I'm using this base coat to start the look. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and coat the inside of the nail with base coat, and you do want to cure that for 60 seconds before you apply your polygel. Okay, so here you're going to see me apply the polygel inside of the nail, and I do start at the middle where the deepness of the apex is, so because that way I make sure the apex is full, because like I said, it is a deep apex, and my nails are My apex is pretty flat. So if you do have a flat apex and you do want to use full cover nails, this is the full cover nails for you. So I'm just patting it and smoothing it in to make sure I cover the nail and make sure I get the size of the nail, so that way when I go to apply it to my nail, you won't see any gaps or anything like that. And oh, just to let you know, I am using 91% isopropyl alcohol to smooth down my polygel. And you also want to make sure you check the underside or the top of the nail to make sure that it is all full covered. So I just put a little bit in the cuticle area and I went ahead and applied the nail. I didn't press it down too much because I will have spillage. I did have a little bit of spillage and I am cleaning it up with the alcohol. And after I get it to where I like it, make sure it's straight, I do go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Actually, I cured it for 30 seconds instead of 60 seconds. And I went ahead and did the other nail off camera. And so here I am going to show you how it's the same way that I applied the blue, and I'm just applying the Makartt pink polygel, and I'm doing the same way, coating the nail with the base coat, cure that for 60 seconds, actually 30 seconds, and then I go ahead and apply the Makartt polygel. I forgot what the name of this polygel is called, but I will leave it on the screen because I don't have the products right in front of me, so I will go ahead and put that on the screen when I find out the name of this polygel. But it is the Makartt and Femi Beauty collab. Alright, so I went ahead and did the rest of the nails off camera, and I did cure each one for 30 seconds, and I did the whole nail for 60 seconds after all the nails were applied. So here I'm going to top coat with the SXC matte top coat, and I was like, I mean, it looks pretty with the top coat on the matte top coat on the blue, and I did do all the nails with the matte top coat, but then I realized like you can't see the beautiful glitter on the pink, so I did go back later on in the video. I did go back and change it to the shiny top coat on the pink ones, but I did keep the matte top coat on the blue nails. Okay, so this is how it's looking with the matte top coat, and then I was like, yeah, I think I will be changing it to the glossy top coat on the pink ones. So here I'm getting ready to do the nail art, which is the fun part. So if you don't know, I am really getting into doing nail art. I'm taking it slow. I don't want to do anything too fast to where I mess up the nail art. So I'm just like doing like a beginner friendly nail art, if you call it. So here I'm using my dotting tool and tools, and I will be making hearts. So you will put 2 dots on the nail, and then you would just connect the two hearts. So I will let you go ahead and watch that. Not the 2 hearts, but you would connect the. I don't know what to say. I can't. I don't know how to put it, but you'll see as you watch the nail art. So as I'm doing it. So yeah, so I do 2 on this finger, 2 on the what is that, the middle finger, and yeah, so I will let you go ahead and watch that, and I will be back. Okay, so after I do the hearts, I'm just tidying it up to make sure that the hearts are straight and that everything is filled in. So I know what I was trying to say on the other one, I know what I was trying to say. I was trying to say, once you put your 2 dots, you connect the paint to make the heart. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, so I'm just doing this one on this nail, the same as I did on the index finger. So I'm doing this one on this nail. So I did do the hearts, 2 hearts on my index finger, my middle finger, and on my thumb. Okay, so right here I'm just making sure they both look good, and I will go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. I don't know why I keep saying 60 seconds. It's supposed to be 30 seconds. So if I say 60 seconds, guys, is really 30 seconds. But after I'm done with like everything, that's when I cure it for 60 seconds. So right here, I did use the SXC gel liner, and I'm using the pure white, and I am just making some little polka dots around the hearts. And yeah, so I will go ahead and do that, and I will be back. Okay, so this is how she's looking. So I'm sitting here looking at it like, yeah, this is going to be, the pink is going to be the top coat. So I am using the Makartt top coat because I did the thumb already just to see how it would look. Like I said before, my thumb is like my test finger, or my test, you know how when you have something in mind and you want to have one finger where you test it out just to see if you want to do that look. So my thumb is that person, is that that one, she's that test. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat the pinks with the Makartt top coat, and after that I do apply some beautiful rhinestones, and I did get these rhinestones from Shein, and I do have a haul on these rhinestones, so if you would like to check that out, I will link that up in the cards up above. And also after I do that, I will go ahead and apply some cuticle oils, and you will see the end results at the end of the video. So if you stayed with me this long, thank you. If you didn't, that's okay. We're still moving on. So to top that off, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And thank you once again, Rosalind, for sending me this beautiful Polygel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you all on my next one. Until then, toodles.